Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com, new Windows 10 build to look at. This is 18975 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. This is a 20H1 build, and not many changes in this build. There are a couple of things that I can show you. The first one is Cortana. They've changed the Windows experience in Cortana to operate much more like current versions of Windows would work. So, for example, you can drag this around now, and you can resize this. Let's let it do the update first. So then you can drag it around, and I can resize it and do all the things. This is just how Windows works, but it was a new thing for Cortana. So there you go, and a quick little update for that. The other thing that they've changed is the virtual desktop renaming is back. It was there and then it went away, and now it's back again. So now you can rename these desktops, and so you can have one called Test and one called Work, and so on. So you can flick between them like that, and you can use the task switcher to go between them. So that's back really. So the rest of the changes are all fairly minor. They fixed some issues with settings where Bluetooth and other devices was not rendering correctly. They fixed some issues with search results, especially when you using certain languages like Polish. They fixed some error messages when not doing the updates. They fixed some issues with File Explorer. They fixed issues with the minimize and maximize buttons in certain windows not showing correctly. They fixed some Korean and Chinese language issues, and fixed issue where Paint would open in the background, and using the arrow keys would result in the mouse changing position. So even though it didn't have the focus, they fixed some out-of-box issues during the setup, some text rendering issues, some access mode, ease of access issues, and including narrator, quite a lot of fixes on those. There are still some known issues with this build. Resetting the PC cloud option, it doesn't calculate the amount of space correctly. So Reset PC, I showed that in the previous build video, where you can reset your PC and it downloads the files from Microsoft. It's not calculating the space needed correctly, so you need an extra 5 gig for that if you're going to do that. So in future it'll calculate the space correctly. So another issue with the Reset PC, if you've got some of the optional features like print and scan, or Print Manager Console, the wireless display and Miracast, it doesn't work correctly, so they're going to fix that. Anti-cheat software, if you've got old version anti-cheat software, Realtek SD cards still an issue, and some deadlock with some files where the upgrade freezes at 98%, so they're working on that. And some certain 2D apps are being treated as protected content in Windows Mixed Reality. So if you've got Feedback Hub or 3D Viewer or the Microsoft Store in Mixed Reality, it's going to think they're protected content and not rendering them correctly. So they've got to fix that. And there's you can't capture videos from the Feedback Hub in Windows Mixed Reality as well. So those are the changes with this build, all fairly minor stuff at the moment. This is 20H1 due out beginning next year, first quarter of next year anyway. I've got also videos of 19H2, which is due out anytime now, and that's on our YouTube channel. You can follow me on Twitter at ISDixon. You can find more on thedigitallife.com. Thanks for watching this video.